Hi there, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Just another random video. Going to be just doing a little bit of spraying on a center console that I started to restore some months back. Going to lick some paint down on it, and yeah, so enjoy and tune in, and yeah, back soon. There's the first 2 coats, give or take. Might leave it for a day or 2. That very bright red. I wasn't expecting it to be that bright. So anyway, that's the start of the center console video, and that just, I think somewhere along the line I've got photos and maybe some footage of actually doing some work on it earlier on, so I'll see if I can tee those ones up, and yeah, we'll go from there. Till next time, stay safe, keep the rubber side down, cheerio.